Okay guys, my second storage unit purchase. This one I paid $275, so a little bit more. It's small, it's a 5x5. Let's check it out. See what. So initially looking at this, nothing really popped out to me. I mean, there doesn't really seem to be anything that I could see, but it's small. There's not, there's no big furniture, and there's a bunch of boxes here. So I'm hoping that there's something valuable in these boxes. It's a gamble. You never really know, but thought it was a good gamble to take. And the first one I was definitely in the green on. So this one, we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go through it, and if there's anything interesting, I'll show you guys. So actually, I just looked this up. This suitcase here, and it looks like it has some value. There's nothing in it really. It's like some bathroom stuff and coffee machine, but this looks like it has some value, so that's good. Maybe this is like 50 bucks. I seen one listed on eBay, it was like 100 bucks, so that's the first good thing. But keep going through this stuff and update you guys. Not really finding much. This box would just close. This box here is just like kitchen stuff. Nothing really that great. This one here has some kitchen stuff, but it looks like some pots here that rock. I looked at one of them. They look like decent pots. So maybe those could be worth something. Other than that, nothing really great in here so far. Mostly just junk. So far, just this suitcase, and this backpack looks like it might be like worth something. I'm not sure. It's like some hiking backpack. So that's pretty much what I found so far. Other than that, nothing much. Hopefully there's something in these boxes here. This one just looks like blankets. It's like more like blankets. I don't really see anything else. So I'm gonna pull these ones out, go through them. This one was just kitchen stuff. I don't think there's anything good. I'm not gonna look through it all, but it's like used kitchen stuff. So only 2 boxes left. Let's see. So far, not that great. I found there's a tent as well. So this looks like more kitchen stuff. I don't think these plates are any good. Like, what is this brand? Canvas? I'm not sure. They're chipped. I don't think these are worth anything. More clothes. It doesn't really look like anything in here either. Just like more like junk. So overall, this unit wasn't that good. It's a lot of work. Really, just this tent. Maybe I get something for that. This suitcase, I might be able to get something. Maybe there's something for this backpack. And other than that, oh yeah, and there's some pots that look like maybe they have some value. But other than that, nothing. Nothing. This pot is nice. Actually, I think it's kind of cheap. I'll have to look that up. Maybe that's worth something. There was all these like vacuum attachments as well. So maybe there's a vacuum in here somewhere. I don't know. But I'm gonna go through a little bit more. But yeah, this one wasn't that great. Maybe I could get my money back. I'm not sure. See what else. I'm gonna go through a little more in depth. See if there's something else in here that I could find that might be valuable. But so far, I thought I went through most of this stuff. Unfortunately, not too much value in this one. This is all like pretty much like gonna be probably donation and just like garbage. Yeah, not too great. It's a couple tents, but I don't think this will be worth anything. The only thing that had value really was this suitcase, that backpack. There's some pots that look decent. Other than that, you know, pretty much just like donation and garbage. And you know, none of the clothing was worth anything really. Yeah, so this one wasn't that great, but that's how it goes, I guess, when you're buying, you know, storage units. Man, I'm sweating, it's hot. At least I had gloves this time. It's hot up here. But yeah, this one sucked. Probably gonna head to the donation right now, donate a bunch of this stuff. Maybe I can get rid of most of it, the donation, and then throw out the rest. I'll go through it one more time to see if I missed anything, but you know, I don't think there's anything that valuable in here. So that's this video. That's this locker, storage locker number 2 that I bought. Be lucky to break even on this one. And no items really for eBay either. I didn't really see anything I could sell on eBay, so tough one. Hopefully the next one will be better. So I'm just leaving that storage facility now. I found like a coffee. It's like I forget the brand name of it, D'Angelo or something like that. It's like an espresso machine. I found that in there. So, you know, that was probably like the best thing that was in there. Maybe I can get like $50 for that. But the other stuff, you know, not really worth anything. I'm gonna take like some of like the plates and stuff home and like look through it. I didn't really look through it in depth, so I'm gonna look through it and see if there's anything of value in there. But this one wasn't as good. Luckily, there's a Value Village like down the street, so I already took most of it to donation, and I just have like you know, probably have to make one more trip. It's mostly just junk left that I'll have to throw out. So this one wasn't as good as the last one. The last one I still have stuff that I'm selling from the last one, but this one, you know, maybe I'll get half my money back. I'll have to see what these like pots, if they're worth anything, and like the other like kitchen stuff. I have to see if it's worth anything. But this one wasn't as good, but that's how it goes sometimes. I think when you're doing this, not every unit is gonna be, you know, good. You're gonna have to take chances. But yeah, I'm still gonna bid. I'm gonna look for more to buy. This one maybe I should have. I don't know. I feel like it's still like a good, you know, it was a good one to take a chance on. So that's a video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and stay tuned for the next one coming up. And then maybe I'll do an update video, you know, but on eBay and stuff like that for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.